Here's all you'll need for my macaroons. You're going to need a couple of eggs, a couple of glacé cherries, condensed milk, vanilla extract, desiccated coconut. The coconut and condensed milk will be in equal measure, so vary that according to how many you want to make. Into a bowl, put your desiccated coconut, then your chopped up cherry pieces, and then finally you want to put the equivalent in millilitres of your condensed milk to the equivalent in grams of your desiccated coconut. So in this case I've got 200 grams of coconut, so 200 millilitres of your condensed milk. And then just for a bit of added flavour, go in with about a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then give them a thorough mixing. When you mix your coconut mixture together into a separate bowl, you're going to separate 2 eggs. It's the egg white that you want, so take the yolk out, stick the egg yolk elsewhere. You can always use egg yolks in recipes. Once you've got your separate egg whites, you're going to whisk them up until you bring your whisk out and the egg white follows you in peaks. When there's something like that, they're ready to be mixed with the coconut. With your egg whites into your coconut mix, spoonful by spoonful, spread it out, and then you're just going to fold them in. And you're going to do that with all the egg white, just fold it in. Don't go mad whisking it or anything, just fold it in until it's well mixed. When it's all folded in, hopefully you'll end up with something looking like that. Then line a baking tray with some baking powder, and then a sort of heaped teaspoon onto there. Leave a bit of space between them because they will expand as they cook in the oven. So get all your mixture onto your baking tray. Then it's into the oven at about 160 degrees for around 20 to 30 minutes. You'll see them when they start to go golden brown. Now if your oven is as temperamental as mine, when they're done on the top, take them out of the oven and flip them over like that so that they do underneath as well. Just give them another 5 minutes. If you've got a super duper modern oven, you won't have to do that. But if not, flip them over, give them 5 minutes and let them brown underneath as well, and then get the kettle on and enjoy.